Here is a look at those very strong winds moving through the city of West Lafayette this afternoon, later this afternoon and this evening. This was taken a couple of hours ago. Very heavy rain as well. Not only have we had trees down, power lines down, a lot of rotation in some of these storms, large hail, but also we've got a flash flood warning for central Tippecanoe County right now due to some very heavy rain. So, there's Live Doppler 18, the area's only live local Doppler radar, showing the storms kind of evolving into a big cluster of storms now. And these are now beginning to turn more towards the southeast. That's the good news. They will slowly get out of here, and we'll be finished with this event by midnight. And now let's go to our Live Doppler 18 network of NEXRAD radars. It's just another tool in our toolbox that we use here in the Doppler 18 Weather Center. A lot of symbols on this screen, but we've got two main severe storms right now that I want to focus on. One is down near the Frankfort area. This storm's had a long history of damaging winds and very large hail. It's now beginning to move into northern Boone County. I know we've got some viewers down in northern Boone County, so I really want to put a storm track on this for you guys down there. It'll be in Kirkland in about 14 minutes. The other severe cell moved through the Delphi and Flora areas, producing quite a bit of wind damage. Getting a lot of reports of wind damage now near the Wildcat Creek Wildlife Center up there. A lot of trees, a lot of power lines down. So I'm going to put a storm track on that storm because I know we've got some viewers in eastern Howard County as well. And there's the storm track. Swayze, Jonesboro, and Gas City here at 9, 41, and 43 minutes, respectively. I want to broaden out here a little bit more and just give a general view of what's happening with the storms right now. You can see the worst of the storms are now beginning to pull out of the WLFI viewing area, and these are moving off to the southeast now. They're moving in this direction, so that's the best news I have right now. Now let's go to 3D and see what's happening with the weather situation right now. Big, strong, upper-level disturbance moving in, pivoting in from the west, igniting these storms. And with this warm front in the vicinity, there's a very quick wind switch along the warm front. That's allowing some of the storms to rotate. So we've got this cluster moving through this evening, another one to deal with by tomorrow. So this is going to be an active weather pattern, folks. There goes the first cluster out by midnight. More going to develop tomorrow. Some of those could be severe, but by tomorrow evening, the severe threat will start to wane, and we can breathe a sigh of relief. But tonight, though, again, the main area of storms pushing out of here, especially by midnight. Muggy, 67 for the low, 84, another round of potentially severe storms tomorrow. Muggy with highs in the mid-80s, but then, check it out, 67 degrees on Wednesday with some periods of rain, pretty chilly day with north winds, and then it starts to warm up. Notice Friday at 80 and then mid to upper 80s. By the weekend, with the potential of more severe weather, we could get 2 or 3 more rounds of severe weather. That's not out of the question by Sunday and Monday. Active night. Good news is those 2 dangerous storms slowly pulling away. This will be totally out of here by midnight.